This is the battery cord that goes into the battery here in the middle. It's going to be a tight fit, but we're going to show you how to get it in there. And then comes with a battery and screws for the lid, and then the lid itself. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put it on. Okay, and let's notice the small plug here, and it has to be plugged in one way. See, there's a notch on the bottom, and that corresponds to the notch within this plug. So we'll go ahead and put it on. See the little groove? Go right on in, push it in tight, and then screw it on tight. Now, we're going to show you how to fit it into the slot. Go straight down there, push it in as far as you can, battery slides right down on top. Push it in tight, there you go, that's it. Now we'll put the lid on. And the lid has to go on a certain way, so make sure that fits right in there. And then we put the screws in. And that's it.
Screw it down flush.
And just do that on all, and that's it.